As we move away from inefficient, energy-consuming machines and lifestyles, more and more scientists and engineers have been looking to the success of natural processes for inspiration for tomorrow's innovation. Reliability, efficiency, and effectiveness are factors that we look for when researching new ways to revise our old habits and technologies, thereby improving our society's sustainability. As many people are now discovering, it just so happens that the answers for many of our modern problems are right here under our nose. Let's take a look.
Biomimicry. It's the secret to utilizing nature's design to create more sustainable technologies for our own man-made society. One of the most common everyday examples of biomimicry that we see in our everyday lives are airplanes. When man first wanted to take to the skies, he decided to utilize the designs of the birds he saw flying above him. And in our modern society, we have advanced this design to create more and more advanced ways to travel. One way biomimicry can be used to solve problems that are presented in our modern society is to directly copy what we see in nature. For example, this cockroach robot, whose legs and body move exactly as a cockroach's does.
Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand.
Because nature's designs are often extremely complicated, and we are not able to exactly replicate what we see in those natural processes, sometimes we interpret designs we see in animals, such as the bill on this kingfisher, to solve problems or integrate into machines that we use in our modern society. For example, the nose of this bullet train was modeled after the beak of the kingfisher and provides a very efficient mode of travel that uses less energy than a normal train would.
Barbara Streisand.
Speaking of being more energy efficient, another example of interpreting designs from nature and using them to our own benefit is Michael Phelps' sharkskin swimsuit. The design of the skin on the outside of the shark helps it to swim fast, but interpreting that design and using it in our own applications, such as on the bottom of ships' hulls, or on airplanes, or even on a common swimsuit, won Michael Phelps 8 gold medals, and makes those machines more streamlined through the water. The benefits of utilizing biomimicry is that scientists and engineers have found ways to take the designs of even the most annoying animals, such as the woodpecker, and turn their body shapes into something useful. For example, this ice pick that keeps mountain climbers from falling off ice shelves.
Barbara Streisand.
Even if you're not aware of it, one of the most famous examples of biomimicry that can be found around the house are Velcro brand fasteners. These fasteners were designed and modeled after common burrs, which cling to animals and clothes and skin, etc. One of the benefits of using Velcro over common adhesives is that it saves the coal and the oil and fuel required to make those adhesives, as well as the waste that is accumulated when you use them. Also used to replace adhesives, scientists have engineered tapes that you find in your house from the bottom of gecko's feet and other animal surfaces. We have also taken designs from nature and used them in places such as alternative energy generation for a more sustainable future. For example, the design of whale fins has been used in tidal turbines and wind turbines to allow a more aerodynamic flow and to capture more of the energy from the moving water and wind. Often, ship propellers and air propellers sometimes can be modeled off of the golden ratio, which we find in nature, in seashells and logarithmic spirals. When based off natural examples, these designs become extremely efficient and help us move towards our goal of creating a more sustainable future.
Part of the problem we face with global climate change is a portion of the public who are uneducated in terms of how their daily habits are affecting the greater environment. They are unaware of the seriousness of such problems and the limited time frame our society has if we continue in the same fashion. By educating people early and often about the benefits we can provide to society by practicing some more sustainable habits, we can effectively induce many other habits. This education will hopefully cause immediate action by the students to promote a more sustainable society, and at the same time it will increase interest in the subject and inspire more people to enter scientific and engineering fields related to sustainability and learning from natural examples.